In our health alert tonight, another danger of working long hours.
If you are looking to cash in on that overtime, a new study wants you to be aware of the risks it brings.
Our chief health editor, Dr. Nandi, is here tonight with what to watch for.
So if you're clocking more than 10 hours a day at your job, you could be putting your health at risk for a stroke. That's right, a stroke. And I'm not talking about 10 hours a day every day. You only have to work 10-hour days for 50 days a year to increase your risk of a stroke by almost 30%. And if you've been working these really long days for over 10 years, now your risk has jumped to 45%. And maybe you're thinking, I'm too young for this to happen, but the risk is even stronger if you're under the age of 50. And this is surprising because age tends to make us really more susceptible to having a stroke. I know this firsthand as my amazing dad had a stroke, and it was extremely life-changing, not just for him, but for my entire family. Now, a stroke happens when the blood flow is blocked to a part of your brain, or when a blood vessel bursts in your brain. This can damage the brain and lead to lasting brain damage. It can even kill you. But the good news is that up to 80% of strokes are preventable. So I've got my prescriptions to help you lower your chances. First, know your blood pressure numbers and keep it under control. If you don't, it can even double or even quadruple your risk of stroke. Super important. If you smoke, please quit. Smoking can actually speed up clot formation. And maintain an ideal body weight and lose pounds if you need to. Even 10 pounds can make a positive impact. And also, if you have an irregular heartbeat called atrial fibrillation, be sure to have it checked and treated. It carries almost a 5-fold risk of stroke. And of course, please be active, drink only moderately, sleep well, and eat a healthy diet. When it comes to those long work days, please try to work more efficiently and get out earlier if you can. You really need to make time for other events and activities in your life that bring happiness and a positive work-life balance. For 7 Action News, I'm Dr. Nandi.
Thank you, Dr. Nandi. And if you have a question or a health concern for the good doctor, you can email him at drnandi@askdrnandi.com or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.